I want to hit on this because this is something I feel like that we run into a lot. What are some of the common misconceptions with validation?
So I think because it's such a young profession, and even my referring to it as a profession might hit some folks wrong. Um, it's can be seen as just an addendum to having product knowledge or as an addendum to having equipment knowledge. Um, and while, I don't want to, you know, talk down everyone who's doing validation and have those in their background, the fact is that chemical engineers have an unusual position among the engineering disciplines because, for instance, mechanical engineers design mechanical objects
Yeah,
and
that's what
civil
I went to school
engineers.
for.
Okay, there you go. And civil engineers, there's the constructs of society, like, bridges and what have you. Um, Chemical engineers, we're not trained to make the chemical. We're trained to make the process. Process thinking is what chemical engineering is all about. And that is also what validation is all about.
Okay.
But again, it's such a young profession that association doesn't seem to be a common perception. I've actually been in a phone call with someone who had a chemical engineering degree, and she described people questioning, why would chemical engineers be in life sciences? And I'm like, because you have manufacturing processes. And we're process trained. Process is what chemical engineers are trained to work on, as opposed to the product itself.
I never thought of that and put that all together.
Shocker.
Did you?
Hell no.